Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The link is down there. Then you get notified of all the future videos we do. That's mostly reviews, some builds when I get time, and also the occasional competition we have a free giveaway. Today we're going to look at a decal sheet from DXM Decals. This is a 1/48 F-15E sheet. So this is the paint scheme that this decal sheet provides. As you can see, looks pretty nice. It will certainly make the F-15E stand out from the crowd and look a bit different. Okay, so now you know roughly what it looks like. Let's have a look inside, see what we get. So just again, this is F-15E 1/48th, 4th Fighter Wing 75th Anniversary, Seymour Johnson Air Force Base, DXM Decals 81-4232. And looks like they're printed by Cartograph as usual. There's a couple of links there to DXM's website and Facebook page. I'll put a link to their online shop underneath the video. So if you look underneath, you'll see a link there. And also the link is on the website as well. If we open it up, it's easy to get out, like some sheets I've seen. So we have some instructions and, get rid of the backing film, a couple of decal sheets. So, instructions, basically that's the scheme that we're looking at. Inside there, obviously this is a scheme for just one aircraft. Basically all the extras are on the top or on the sides. Note it says anniversary decals, which are put on with the blue lines, like there. They go on first before applying the ones with the red lines, which are basically the stencils, the ones that all aircraft have. So there's the top view, there's the bottom view. There's also something on the inside of the wheel bay door. Fuselage painting schemes. The fuselage is all one colour. It's called out by name, Federal Standard, Gunsangmo, Humble and Life colour. And on the back we have the side views with inside views of the two tails. Same again, stick the ones with the blue lines, go on first, then you put the regular stencils and decals on the ones with the red lines. It looks pretty neat. There's basically decals down both sides and a lot on the top. So let's have a look at the decals. I'll start off with the one with the wings, and I'll put these up on the screen so you can see them. So there's actually only 1, 2, 3, there's only actually 7 decals on here. The ones with the big wings are all one decal. The backing film holds them all together so you get all the alignment correct. And the same at the bottom, the ones with the lines for the rudder. Those all go in one fell swoop. Then onto the other one, if I can pick it up. So again, the head of the eagle is all one decal. It looks like it's actually 2 parts, but it's one decal with carrier film holding together. There's no carrier film going anywhere outside of what you'd expect. There's a big bar of spare decal colour in case you need to just fill in some little gaps somewhere. Other than that, the decals look nice. Everything seems to line up. The colours are good. There's high resolution photograph or scans of these on the website if you want to have a closer look. But it looks very nice. It's certainly a very interesting paint scheme. It'll look very different from all those regular grey F-15s that you see around. Yeah, so very nice. And as I said, there's a link to DXM's website underneath this video. If you want something different on your shelf, this would be a good contender. And many thanks to DXM for sending it along for us to have a look at.